Alright guys, we're back with the sisters, Sophie and Riley. So we got them out in this big wide open field. Just going to work on practicing the recall. You want to do this when their back is turned, when they're moving away from you. Not when they're sitting there, not when... And somebody asked me the other day, I guess they went to some class or something, and then the people would have the whole class doing jumping jacks while they made the dog stay. First off, nobody does jumping jacks, and two, you know, Crystal's like, yeah, the handler should be a clear and confident leader all the time, not somebody who suddenly engages in erratic behavior. I cannot stress that enough, you guys. All right, let's go. Turn I got, and I want again to stretch it. Pager is cue, not a correction. Riley, you can see what's happening. The dog is making an abrupt direction change. That's what you're trying to do. That's what you're not going to be able to do with anything else. What's happening is the dog isn't shadowing. If anything, they can't take off again fast enough. Sophie? So I will tell you, this dog is not that sensitive. Sophie. And we just trained. She is the sister to Marley and Riley, and they weren't sensitive either. A lot of that is going to be litter specific from what I've seen. We had the dogs Jake, Jax, and there was another one from that litter, I believe. They weren't sensitive either. Well, they were all out of Talbot too. Well, he must be the common denominator. I'm looking... Sophie? I'm looking for two things. A dog that will turn around, dog that will accelerate in my direction. You're not always going to have dogs that, but I would say if you're doing it right, the majority of the time you will. No, not through the mud again. Cancel the plan. She's very Truffles-like. Truffles is really at the ready all the time for that recall. All you gotta do is make her think you called her name. Kind of angled though, so I'm going to wait. And if I can't stress this enough, if they just come up to you, if a dog just comes up to me, I don't have any reaction. Sophie's not that in that good a shape, so she keeps out quick. Riley, on the other hand, she spins the fiddle that one. Sophie? I was able, by backing up, to get her to run those last little couple feet. Riley? Sophie? Good. So you see, by backing up, I was able to get her to run. All right, guys, we're going to put these up and we'll be right back.